Assalamualaikum. My name is Hanisha Mimi binti Muhammad Razik, matrix number 1240225. In this video, our group will briefly explain the differences between Islamic banking and conventional banking using CIMB group as an example. Banks help people save money and provide financing for individuals and businesses. Although Islamic and conventional banks offer similar services, they operate differently. Cimb Group is one of the largest banks in Southeast Asia and provides both types of banking services. Cimb banks offer conventional banking while Cimb Islamic banks provide Sharia-compliant products. The main difference is the Islamic banking follows Sharia principles and avoids interest. Instead, it uses profit sharing and ethical financial transactions. Conventional banking, on the other hand, earns profit mainly through interest charged on loans. So, Islamic banking is based on Sharia principles while conventional banking is based on interest. Both systems play important roles in Malaysia's banking industry and allows customers to choose according their needs and belief. Now, let's move to the next part.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurisha Zanashazli binti Muhammad Basuri. My matrix number 1241583. Now I will briefly explain about the difference between CIMB Islamic and CIMB conventional in terms of profit generation and risk management. CIMB Islamic generates their profit based on Sharia-based contracts such as Mudharabah and Tawarruk. Based on this contract, profits are earned through real economic activities, not from interest. Meanwhile, CIMB conventional generates their profit based on conventional investment product and interest-based mechanism. In terms of risk management, CIMB Islamic applies risk sharing in their contracts such as Mudharabah. Under this arrangement, both parties will share investment outcome based on pre-agreed sharing ratio. In contrast, CIMB conventional use risk transfer in their products such as dual currency investment. In this product, investors may enjoy higher return, but they also bear market and currency risk. This risk will transfer to the investor based on contractual arrangement. Next, I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Okay, now the analysis of CIMB Bank's governance structure. While conventional banking utilizes a single board and standard oversight, CIMB's Islamic banking model incorporates a dual board oversight, adding a layer of ethical and Sharia-compliant fiduciary duties. To maintain this integrity, the Sharia operational scope relies on three core processes. The first one is ex ante reviews, which is validate financial structures before market release. The second one is ongoing ex post audits, which is to ensure daily activities remain Sharia compliant. And the last one is a purification process permanently isolates non-compliant income for community charity. This governance translates into dual financial instruments. For every conventional purpose, such as retail housing or working capital, CIMB provides Islamic alternatives, including community murabahah for property and musyarakah for partner equity. Finally, in terms of fiscal year 2025 performance, the bank generated 1.40 billion ringgit in net profit after tax and also zakat. This was supported by 6.24 billion ringgit in total distributable income, highlighting their transparent risk-reward sharing model.
Next, I will discuss the current issue of AI ethics in banking, focusing on the balance between innovation and integrity. One major concern in bias in AI where systems may make unfair or unintentional discriminatory decisions, such as rejecting loan application unfairly. Another issue is lack of human oversight, where too much dependence on AI can lead to ethical violation without proper review. To address this issue, banks should implement strong AI governance and ethical framework, maintain human oversight through a human-in-the-loop approach, and use high-quality, balanced training data. In conclusion, while conventional and Islamic banking can have different operational frameworks, both can use AI ethically by upholding fairness, justice, responsible, and decision-making.